Hello everyone, today I will show a recent tool that I made which is called PDF Converter. I use the Python language. You can download the Python app and then the required files. I also put the executable which can be run a single file in Windows. For Mac still you might use the Python files, or in the future I can make Mac version of this program. Normally there are PDF converter, of course, in online. You can convert PDF files into different documents, like Word documents. Also, you can convert in different image formats. But these are all in server based, so you never know where your data is stored and whether they are secure enough in that server. And some of the times you might use like important PDF files, and you don't want to share with online unknown servers. So I made it a local version of the programs so that you can do in your own PC without having any internet connection or anything, so it could be secure. So this program has two functions basically. First, while we can download the program from here, you can go to the link. This is my GitHub page, and you can find a PDF converter here. You just click the code and then download zip files, and it will start downloading the whole files here. Downloading is completed. So after you download your folder zip file, you can export it into the folder, and when you open it, and you will find an executable and the Python files and required folders. And let's start with the executable first. And in the beginning, it might require you to accept some of the things and which are important for it to work. And here it has two functionality, PDF to document and PDF to image. First, let's go with the PDF, and it has two versions of conversion. One is PDF to Word converter, which is basically you convert the PDF exactly the same in the Word document. And these are the files that is already converted from the world before, like articles. But if you have old article files which are like an image, or you scan a file that is PDF and then you want to get it as a Word, so you just need to choose the OCR, which is optical character recognition, which is machine learning algorithm that recognizes the text. And when you choose this, and depends on the folder, depends on the file, you need to choose a corresponding language, for example German or Spanish, Italian, where the language is the file. So basically you browse and then select the file. Here I have example files, which is, for example, here this is sample PDF file. When you click here, just need to convert. It's quite fast, and you can open it when it's finished. It's here as an example, and it converted into this PDF file. So you just click the open. So it will open the PDF file. As you can see, you can copy and you can use the Word text. And if you have, for example, scan PDF file, as I said, like this one, this is a German text, for example, as an example. So you can choose that one, scan PDF, and then you need to choose OCR in this case. And you need to select your language of option and just convert. And wait a bit, because it requires much more time to recognize the language and then text. And when it's finished, it just says complete, and then you can open it and you can get the German text here. It might not be perfect, but you might get some text useful for you. So another option is to PDF to image. And for example, you can have PDF files from R or some other languages that you have the figures, for example, like this one. So you want to convert in different file format, image format. So you still browse the, for example, volcano plot here, and you can choose different options of images. Let's go with the PNG here, and you just click the convert, and then it's converting, and when it's done, it says finished, and it saves the same the files in the same folder with the same name, with the extension like docs and the same name, so it can be easily be recognizable. And when you finish, then you can click the open, and then it opens the PNG files. So that's it basically. This executable, the you can close it. A Python file is almost the same, but you need to install first Python, of course. Then it requires some modules like these ones, so you need to install those. I will put this code how you do it in the main page of the GitHub. So still, I want to show it quickly. With this, you can write a CMD, which is command line, or terminal in the Mac or Linux. So here you can write a Python. For Mac and Linux, it's Python 3. Python -m pip install -r requirements, which provides to Python to install. We are using the pip required modules. Like here, most of the modules are already installed for me. Then it will take some time for you to install all of this. And when it does, you just need to type Python or Python 3 and main.py. And then it will open the same file. In this case, it will not ask for any acceptance or anything, because executable in Windows try to validate the file format. So it's basically the same. And basically this is all. And I have about page, and then you can click to reach me out, one of the profiles here. So I hope it will be useful for you. And if you have any question, you can write me or reach me out somewhere here. And if you have a recommendation or suggestion, please feel free to contact. And I hope you like it. Bye.